everyone. Today, Miss Vidal will be reading a book. The book is called Clarence Works for Money. Written by Emily Weinberger, illustrated by Alex Weishart. Clarence wants a toy truck. It costs $8. Clarence needs money. Clarence can do chores to get money. Clarence washes the car. He gets $2. Clarence puts away food. He gets 2 more. Clarence folds clothes. He gets $2 more. Clarence washes dishes. He gets $2 more. Oh my goodness, guys. Clarence is such a hard worker and he is earning a lot of money. I want you guys to think about what we do with money and we'll discuss it later. All right, let's keep going. Clarence takes out the trash. He gets $2 more. Clarence has money. He can buy the toy truck. Oh my goodness, how much money does Clarence have? Can you touch the amount of money Clarence has? Good job. If you touch the 10, that is correct. He has $10. Clarence buys the toy truck. He has some money left. Oh, the toy truck was only $8. Should he buy something else? Should he save his money? That is a good question. You guys see this question mark right here? That means he asked himself a question. He is thinking so hard. The end.